today for math groups. If you were unable to join us for our live Zoom meetings, we talked about a couple of different things. And the first thing we talked about for our lesson today was longer or shorter. And it's kind of a fun game that you can play. What you want to do is you want to find one item. So I just found a pen. Then you're going to go around the house and find several other things and measure them next to your pen and decide, is it longer or shorter than your pen? The trick with measuring is you have to make sure that one end matches up. So let me show you with my pencil here. I'm going to make sure that the bottoms match up. They're exactly at the same spot. So then when I'm measuring, I can see if one is taller, longer, or shorter. Now, if I had it like this, it doesn't really give me a very good measurement. They have to be at the same starting point, matching up here at one of the ends for you to see which one is longer and which one is shorter. You can do it sideways like this, or if it's easier, you can do it up and down, vertical like this. So now I can see that my pencil is longer than my pen. So when you are done measuring, that's what I want you to do. I want you to say, the pencil is longer than the pen. Then go find something else that you can measure. I have an Expo marker here. I'm going to make sure the bottoms line up about the same, and I can see that my pen is longer than the marker. So what I'm going to say now is, the marker is shorter than my pen. The pencil was longer, the marker is shorter. Go find something else. I have an Expo eraser. Gonna match up the bottom. Ooh, just a little bit here. I see that the Expo eraser is shorter than my pen, just by a little bit. Let's find something else. I also have a pattern block. I'm going to try to equal the bottom here. And you know, if it's easier, you can like set them on a table. And that way you can help to measure. And I can see my pattern block is much shorter than my pen. What if I looked around and I found a spoon? Wonder if my spoon is longer or shorter. Get the bottoms to match up, and then, ooh, look at that. My spoon is longer than my pen. All right, now I'm going to find something else. My scissors. I have big adult scissors. So I'm going to match them up carefully here. Hope I can see that my scissors are longer than my pen. What else do I have here? Oh, I've got a pad of paper. Let's make the bottom equal there. Oh, wow, you guys. Look at that. My note paper is equal to my pen. That means they're the exact same length. Wow. That's what we call it when we measure something, how long it is, we call it length. What do you know? Now, I also have some crackers. Let's see how long my crackers are. Like I said, you can literally find anything in your house and measure it. The crackers are shorter than my pen. All right, let's do one more item. My phone. Match up the bottoms here. Okay. Oh, I can see that my phone is just a little longer than my pen. So that's what we did today in our math lesson. You guys can find an item, and then you have to keep this item, but then you can measure it with lots of other things around your house. I mean, really anything you can find. And then I just want you to say it out loud if it's shorter or longer than your pen or than whatever you're measuring with. Also today, you have a Send Home Center for math that you can work on. This is called Snowman Snowflakes. And there's lots of different snowmen here with a number on them. You can cut them out. You can cut out all the circle snowflakes. Really good fine motor practice. You can put them all in a baggie or an envelope, and then you have to match up. So this snowman says 10 on his belly, so he needs 10 snowflakes. So you have to match up however many snowflakes that it says on the snowman. You can also, in your green folder, take out this paper called Graph It Gingerbread. We're talking a lot about gingerbread this week. And you see down here at the bottom, they have different pictures that you need to count. Count how many gingerbread houses. Count how many bells. Oh wait, is that a gingerbread face? That's a gingerbread face. Count the faces. Count the gingerbread men. Count the rolling pins. Count the oven mitts. Remember, like we talked about last week when we're counting, sometimes it's helpful to mark the things that you've already counted so you don't count it twice or skip over anything. As you're counting, you're going to graph it on the paper. So let's see, I'm going to count the gingerbread houses first. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know I'm going to come over here where the gingerbread house is, and I'm going to color 4 boxes. I'm going to start at the bottom because that's where the number 1 is. I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Then I'm going to count the next item. So you guys can work on that today. And we also did the question of the week. So if you missed the question of the week, I will be emailing you for an answer to that question. Have fun doing your measuring of your length and your graph and your snowman snowflakes.